Hey everyone, this is Brainwaves, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 really cool Ableton effect presets that I use in my productions. So before we get started, to look for these presets is really simple. You just do Ctrl F to get into the search bar in Ableton, and then you type the name of the preset. So for example, first one is dub echo, so you just type dub echo in here and then you will get the preset. So the first effect that I'm going to talk about is dub echo. This is a really cool echo rack from Ableton. With this one you can get like really cool echo tails just from one simple sound. Just as an example, this is a clap without the dub echo sound, just a dry simple clap. But once I enable dub echo, this is what I got. There's a lot of cool parameters that you can play with, but most of the time I just play with the feedback and the dry wet, and that's pretty much all I need. This can get a little bit too much if you turn this way high or if you turn it wet all the way up, so be careful about that. But if you just push it a little bit, you can get really cool long echo tails. So yeah, I use that one a lot to make transitions in my songs, like from one section to another and things like that. Pretty useful. Number 2, it's called Around the Head. This is a auto pen preset, and the name, it makes it like kind of self-explanatory. It would be better if you listen to this one with headphones, but basically makes a really cool stereo effect. So let me play this pad that I have in here without the effect. And now if I turn Around the Head on, this is how it sounds. So yeah, it's really nice to play with this one. I normally play with the rate and the amount. So for example, you can get really crazy with automations and things like that, but yeah, this is a pretty cool one. Moving on, number 3, it's called Hiss, and this is a really simple effect. It's from the erosion effect, and basically what it does is just add like a little bit of white noise at the top of the sound. So I like to use this one with like bass sounds and stuff like that. So for example, I got this Reese bass in here. If I play it without the hiss, it sounds like this. And now if I turn hiss on, this is what I get. I normally leave it like that, but you can obviously play with the amount if it's too much. And yeah, you can get really nice sounds with that one. Number 4, I discovered recently. It's called Intercom Speaker. This is from the hybrid reverb effect that got introduced in Ableton 11. And as the name says, it basically makes things sound like they're coming from Intercom Speaker. So if I play this vocal without the effect, it sounds like this.
Anytime there is insufficient reward, there will be dissonance.
And if I turn this on, it sounds like this.
Anytime there is insufficient reward, there will be dissonance.
Here's another vocal for the example.
Something even more terrible than you.
And with it.
Something even more terrible than you.
So yeah, this is pretty cool for vocals, stuff like that. You can get like pretty cinematic or mysterious type of vibes with this. Last but not least, number 5, it's called House 4 to Go. This is actually not an audio effect, but a MIDI effect. It's a specific chord that I found that sounds really good. So for example, I have this sounding here, and without it, sounds like this. And if I turn the effect on, sounds like this. You can get like pretty huge sounds with this one. And that's about it. Let me know what else would you like me to cover in these videos. I really appreciate the comments. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you around.